Did you know the moon is Earth's closest companion in space? It's that bright round object we see in the night sky. But there's more to the moon than meets the eye. It's a fascinating world full of surprises. For centuries, humans have gazed up at the moon, wondering about its secrets. What is it made of? How did it get there? Let's embark on a journey to uncover some mind-blowing facts about our celestial neighbor. The moon might seem close, but it's actually quite far away. When you look up at the night sky, it feels like you could almost reach out and touch it. But in reality, the distance is much greater than it appears. Imagine traveling around the Earth at its widest point. That's roughly the distance to the moon. To put it into perspective, the Earth's circumference at the equator is about 24,900 miles. Now, multiply that by 10, and you get a sense of how far the moon really is. It's about 238,900 miles, or 384,400 kilometers away from us. That's a long way. This distance is so vast that it takes light from the moon about 1.28 seconds to reach Earth. Imagine the speed of light, the fastest thing in the universe, taking over a second to bridge that gap. If you could drive a car to the moon, it would take you about 6 months to get there. That's assuming you could drive non-stop at a constant speed of 60 miles per hour. Think about all the fuel you'd need and the endurance required for such a journey. And that's without stopping for snacks. Astronauts, on the other hand, travel much faster. It takes them about 3 days to reach the moon. They have to prepare extensively, carrying all the necessary supplies and equipment for their mission. The journey to the moon is a testament to human ingenuity and the spirit of exploration. Compared to the vastness of space, the moon is like a tiny dancer swirling around Earth. It's about 4 times smaller than our planet. Imagine Earth as a basketball. The moon would be about the size of a tennis ball. Despite its small size, the moon plays a big role. Its gravitational pull creates tides on Earth, causing the ocean levels to rise and fall. It's like a gentle tug of war between the Earth and the moon. Feeling light on the moon. Ever dreamed of being lighter? On the moon, you'd weigh about 6 times lighter than you do on Earth. That's because the moon's gravity is much weaker. Imagine being able to jump super high or lift heavy objects with ease. That's what it would be like to experience the moon's low gravity. Extreme temperatures, from boiling to freezing. The moon might look calm and serene, but its surface experiences extreme temperatures. This celestial body, our closest neighbor in space, is a land of extremes. Without an atmosphere to regulate temperature, the moon can get scorching hot during the day and freezing cold at night. The lack of an atmosphere means there is no air to trap heat or cold, leading to these drastic temperature changes. Imagine a scorching hot desert during the day where temperatures can soar to 260 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 127 degrees Celsius. This is hotter than the boiling point of water, making the lunar daytime environment incredibly hostile. Then, picture a freezing wasteland at night, plummeting to minus 280 degrees Fahrenheit or minus 173 degrees Celsius. This is colder than any place on Earth, turning the moon's surface into an icy, barren landscape. These extreme temperatures pose significant challenges for astronauts and equipment. Spacesuits and lunar modules must be designed to withstand these harsh conditions, providing protection from both the intense heat and the bitter cold. The lunar rover, for instance, is built to operate in these extreme temperatures, allowing astronauts to explore the moon's surface safely. The technology used must be incredibly resilient and reliable. Despite these challenges, the moon remains a fascinating destination for exploration. Its extreme temperatures offer a unique environment for scientific study, helping us understand more about our own planet and the universe. From boiling to freezing, the moon's surface is a testament to the extremes of space. It reminds us of the incredible challenges and opportunities that lie beyond our home planet. The moon's dance and its changing face. Have you noticed how the moon seems to change shape in the sky? It's a mesmerizing sight that has fascinated humans for centuries. From ancient civilizations to modern-day stargazers, the moon's changing appearance has always been a source of wonder and curiosity. Sometimes it's a full circle, glowing brightly in the night sky, while other times it's a delicate crescent, barely visible. These changes are not random, but follow a predictable pattern. These different shapes are called the moon's phases. Each phase has a unique name and appearance, from the new moon, where the moon is almost invisible, to the full moon, where it shines in all its glory. The moon goes through its entire cycle of phases in about 29.5 days. That's almost a month. This cycle is known as a lunar month. During this period, the moon transitions through 8 distinct phases. During this time, we see different amounts of the moon's sunlit side. The amount of sunlight we see depends on the moon's position relative to the Earth and the sun. As the moon orbits the Earth, the angle between the moon, Earth, and sun changes, causing the phases to shift. Ancient civilizations used the moon's phases to track time and plan agricultural activities. They created lunar calendars based on the moon's cycle, which were crucial for their survival and prosperity. Today, modern-day stargazers and astronomers continue to study the moon's phases to understand more about our closest celestial neighbor. Telescopes and advanced technology have allowed us to explore the moon in greater detail than ever before. Subscribe to our channel to explore more fascinating facts about our universe. From the mysteries of the moon to the wonders of distant galaxies, join us on this incredible journey through space.